When a freight shipment arrives, there are a few things you need to do to protect yourself and your investment. Always inspect, examine, and inventory your shipment before signing. And this includes checking the tip indicator if you've purchased an upright compressor and visually inspecting the merchandise. By signing the bill of freight, you are saying the merchandise arrived in good condition and is not damaged per your inspection. If you sign the bill of freight without inspecting the shipment, you're waiving your right to collect on damage, even if damage is discovered at a later time. Now let's go through some steps to inspect the shipment and show you some things to look for. First, make sure all the freight has arrived. It's often in one package, like this air compressor, so this step is simple. Second, if it's an air compressor, check the tip indicator. All air compressors will have a tip indicator on the side of the packaging. If the indicator shows the merchandise has been tipped over, do not sign for the shipment until you remove the packaging and inspect the compressor for damage. If you discover damage after removing the packaging, don't sign for the shipment. If there's no tip indicator, it may have been knocked off during shipping and the compressor could be damaged. You should remove the packaging and inspect the compressor for damage before signing and accepting it. Third, check for visible damage. Any punctures in cardboard or breaks in a packaging crate are indicators that there could be damage that was caused during shipping. If the carton, crate, or packaging has been damaged, remove the packaging and check for damage before signing and accepting the shipment. If you discovered damage, don't accept the shipment and contact Eastwood customer service to resolve the issue. If there's no damage, it's safe to sign and accept the shipment and start enjoying your new toy. We hope this helps you protect yourself and your investment. Following these steps will ensure you receive the product you ordered in the condition you expect. And when your shipment arrives, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Eastwood Customer Service Department for assistance.